18 वर्सां पुराय केल्ल्या विद्यार्थ्यांमदीं मतदार हक्काविशीं तशेंच मतदार वळेरेंत तांणी नोंदणी करची म्हण वेंचणूक आयोगान पणजे स्कुलांच्या भुरग्यांची रॅली काडिल्ली। ह्या रॅलींत पणजेच्या हायर सेकंडरीच्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो। डेस्को खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मुनोली।
This is a rally that is organized to create awareness regarding the summary revision of the roll that is taking place and which will end on 14th October. The target that we have set for our state is that we want to ensure 100% enrollment of the young voters, and you see that in the rally we have targeted the young voters. These are students who have come from 3 colleges, namely Salgaonkar College of Law, we have Dempe College of Commerce and Economics, and Dempe College of Arts and Science. And through this rally we want to create awareness regarding the enrollment of voters, and we are trying to tell the young voters that 14th October is the last date and we want to ensure full enrollment of young voters.